Alright, so this is the bike that I'm going to be using for the 2026 cheap bike build-off. It is an 87 Trek 830 Antelope. Got it for $40, which leaves me for a lot of tinkering room, but yeah, it's mostly complete. I was hoping that I'd have a rigid fork that would work with this, but I don't. And so I'm going to be reusing this. It just has an elastomer inside of it, so it doesn't do a whole lot and weighs a bunch, but that's what we got. Yeah. We got some pre-hub work to do with this thing. I'll take apart bottom bracket, clean up all the bearings, get them put back in here. It doesn't even feel that bad. I have some old Maxxis DTHs that were given to me. I'll put a price on these, but they're pretty wore out, but for the sake of cheap bike. And stees, that's what we're gonna go with. Definitely swap out stem and handlebars as Shimano dummies and brake levers. That stuff will stay. We'll stay 3x6. Decent saddle. It's kind of ugly. Yeah, we'll see what other kind of funky things I can come up with within the budget. I'm gonna show you this cool pivot on this fork. Pretty silly, but it feels fairly strong. Alright, little update. Got headset cleaned and re-greased. Bottom bracket cleaned and re-greased, as well as wheels. Got this freewheel coming back to life. Got everything cleaned up. And ready to get back on the bike. Alright, so looking pretty good. Alright, so not really having a good mounting point up here at the fork crown. I don't know if I'll be able to get this rack to work. This isn't threaded or anything, so my idea was to bolt something to here to kind of support the top, and then the bottom I have these little guys from Velo Orange, where this would go through the skewer. I'm directing this, and what I've done in the past is convert these old rear racks into front racks. Essentially, these ones that don't have a leg that comes down this way, I chop this section off and then drill new holes and then run the supports there, because if you don't cut it, then it's going to be too far forward and you won't be able to place it level. Yeah. Works on normal forks, but we'll see if we can get something to work here. So I got old mounting bracket bent close enough where once I kind of bolt and cinch things down, it will just kind of bend into place, which will work great for me. And now I just got one more to do, and I think this is gonna work out just fine. Bolting two of these holes here. Alright, there she is, all hooked up, sitting level. Had to do a little like step down washer thing here to kind of get everything to clamp flush, but definitely not going anywhere. And my budget's at like $140 right now, so I got a couple more bucks I could spend on it, but I'm not really sure. Oh, well, I got old basket that I'm gonna throw on there, so eat up a little bit of money. One other thing I'm thinking is maybe wrapping the bars here. But, yep.